What are we doing today, buddy? What are we doing?
Go camping.
We're going camping. All right. Today, going camping with my son Heath. Follow along, and I hope you enjoy. So, while passing through the Denali Tourist Center, locals know it as Glitter Gulch, we had to stop for some fudge. The little shop there sells some good popcorn and fudge. So, and they're pretty nice people. Some more?
Yeah.
Still chewing? Okay.
One more.
Did I eat it all?
Pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. Here. Right here. I got a big one.
Tiny one.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese. Monkeys.
My Nathan. My Nathan. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we had to rearrange our tent location a little bit so we could have a flat spot, a more flat spot. Now we're set up, and Heath is hungry, I'm hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. Heath wanted mac and cheese.
Red button.
No, press it like this. There we go.
Mine scared.
Okay, we'll move it away so you don't get burnt.
Gordon.
Just don't touch the stove, it's hot. Now we gotta let it close it up and let it heat, yeah, let it warm up.
Get colder.
They don't want to eat it when it's cold. Gotta let it warm up.
It's done.
We could be eating pretty fancy. I'm not trying to travel light. I just had freeze-dried stuff on hand, and I didn't want to go anywhere else to grab anything special.
Yeah.
This will do.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta wait 8 minutes. Very specific.
10. Flowers?
Yeah.
Green flowers too. Tiny ones. Green ones.
Maybe we can take some home to Mama.
These two.
There you go.
A bug!
You're okay.
Bug.
They're all gone. They fly around and then they go away.
Then I go away.
Mm-hmm.
Grabbing my ears.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Later. Getting dark outside.
Yeah? Slowly. Sun's still got a ways left, and it's 10 o'clock.
Oh. Now.
Are you covering your ears from bugs? Okay. Let's go down to the tent.
Bug hat. Hat.
I got a bug on my hat?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we ate supper a little ways away from the tent. I figure if I have a 3-year-old with me,
Oh.
might as well take any precaution I can as far as bear safety.
Mine 3 old.
He's 3 years old.
Yeah. Wait.
So Heath wants a fire. So I told him we can build a little fire.
Yeah.
So this is how we're gonna make a fire, buddy.
Oh.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be it's kind of might surprise you a little bit. Let's pop the top off like this.
Yeah.
And we turn it around and we strike it. Put this one on. Let's start with the small one.
More one.
Yeah. And let's put this one on there. Nice little fire. Turn around. Yeah. Sit down right there. I'm coming too. Put our shoes right here.
Yeah.
Smells like fart in here, boy. All right, we're ready for the night. It's 10:45, almost 10:50.
This bug sounds
And the sun isn't going to go down for 2, 3, 4 more hours. I'm not exactly sure, but it barely gets dark anymore. So we're going to get some rest, get up early in the morning, and continue to explore. Maybe we can find a fishing spot. Sound good?
Yep.
All right. Well, it's 5 a.m. It didn't get dark last night, excuse me. It did get cold. So me being the genius that I am, I forgot to bring a coat. But I did bring a good sleeping bag and blankets, so we're set up. Did you get cold in the night?
Yeah.
You got cold?
Yeah.
Well, are you warm now in Dad's sleeping bag? Yeah. How was your sleeping bag? Was your sleeping bag warm too?
Right there.
Yeah. Was it warm?
Yeah.
That's good. You kept rolling around a lot. I had to keep covering you.
Yeah.
Well, should we get in the car and drive?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go get you a sweater. Yep. All right, buddy, that was a nice camping spot.
Yeah.
Should we go look for a spot to fish?
Yeah. Go look for fish.
The thrill of sleeping in a tent was enough to keep him up later than normal. So he is wiped out. We stopped at Alpine Creek Lodge here on the Denali Highway. It's the halfway point.
Yeah.
I got coffee, and Heath had some juice, and we're ready to get back on the road. Now, little man really wanted to go fishing, but he's also very tired. Gonna go fishing, buddy? Gonna go fishing? Gonna go fishing with Dad? Yeah? Okay, we can go fishing right here. Or you can sleep if you want to sleep. Okay, he wants to go fishing. All right, I got a fishing partner. Let's try this one.
This one.
Be careful, it's sharp. Bobber? Well, there's no fish here. There's no fish at all. I know better than that. I don't know what I'm doing, obviously. I feel like I should have a $400 fly rod. Then I might be successful. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Deep breaths.
Oh, we lost. There it is. last time I was at Tangle Lakes Lodge, it was 0 degrees and blowing sideways, and I got frostbite on the bike ride in. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the end. It's safe to say, after this excursion, my legs will be less sore. This wraps it up. Can you say like and subscribe?
Like.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed some of it anyways, and we'll see you another time.